Hi, welcome to Kitchen Chettinad. Our today's dish is a side dish for the breakfast. It's a famous dish in Chettinad. New viewers, subscribe for the channel and also press the bell button for receiving notification. This dish is done with brinjals and potatoes. Brinjals of this type are taken. These will have some seeds actually. Seeded brinjals won't be good for sambar or any other dish. But this dish will be good if you prepare with brinjals of this type. So we have to boil the brinjals and potatoes. Cut the brinjals half cut like this and potatoes like this. Wash them with water. And put it in a cooker. Pour some water for boiling. This dish will be good for idli, dosa and idiyappam. Very tasty a dish. See, put some water and keep it on the stove. Put a weight for the cooker. Leave it for 2 whistles. This much water is enough. Put it in the stove and put the weight. In the meanwhile, we will cut the other ingredients needed for making the dish. See, onions, tomatoes, green chilies, coriander leaves and curry leaves. Onions are cut like this. 2 tomatoes, 2 big onions and 4 chilies have been taken. And coriander leaves and curry leaves are fine chopped. See, the boiled potatoes and brinjals skin should be removed. Keep the brinjal like this and remove the skin out of it. It will be easy to peel it off. After removing the skin of all potatoes and brinjals, smash like this. You can use a smasher if you have. All won't have a smasher. You can use your hand for smashing it. So after smashing, mix it like this. And now we are going to prepare the dish. Heat the kadai. Put 3 spoons of oil. Then 1 spoon mustard, half spoon urad dal and little jeera. After adding that, put some asafoetida powder, then curry leaves, salt well. Put the onions. You can cut more onions. The special thing in this dish is the taste is because of onions only. For every mouth, onion should be there, then only it will be more tastier. So use more onions. Sort it well. Then put the green chilies. And again sort like this. Then add the tomatoes. Again sort it. Onions and tomato should get mixed like this. At this stage, add the smashed brinjals and potatoes. And mix it well. Mix like this. Put some water and let it get boiled. Leave it for boiling. Now it is boiling. At this stage, put some salt. Then tamarind pulp. I have taken gooseberry size tamarind and pulp out of it. Half teaspoon turmeric powder has to be put. Then mix well. And put some more water. And boil it again. This dish won't be more watery or more solid. It will be like this in the middle stage. Taste it once. If tamarind or salt is lesser, you can add it now. Boil it well. Add some coriander leaves, finely chopped coriander leaves to make it more tastier. And switch it off. Serve it hot for idlis or dosa. It will be very nice. You'll like it. Like, share and subscribe.